In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access themes. Now tap on themes at the bottom left corner. Look for the best one over here. Click on one of those options. Select top, or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Wherever you decided after picking the best theme for you, select download at the bottom and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access themes section again, but this time click on menu at the bottom right corner. Then click on my stuff at the top, select your default theme and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!